Hello. Let's draw some 2D shapes. Black color. It's a dark black color. Let's start. A square, semicircle, semicircle, pentagon, pentagon, circle, circle, heart, heart, rhombus, rhombus. Let's learn some colors: pink color, brown color, orange color, red color, yellow green color, forest green color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, deep yellow color, light green color. Now fill color inside. Deep olive green color, deep olive green color, carmine color, carmine color, pastel blue color, pastel blue color, salmon pink color, salmon pink color, French vermilion color, French vermilion color, cool grey color, cool grey color. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.